So this is what my eyebrows look like before having them done. And you know, my skin is not great at the minute. I've got really dry skin, and also my skin is really breaking out. So everything's looking a mess. But yeah, I've not filled my eyebrows in. Even before looks good. So the after is going to be, you know, popping. Wow, I look a mess. Excuse my face. I'm literally just having one of those days. But I just wanted to show you what my hair actually looks like. Now, I said on Instagram that my hair was turning green. Now, a lot of you didn't believe me, and you probably can't even tell because what's on camera is very different to real life. But this is literally like a seaweed, like grey green. It's so weird, and obviously compared to my roots, this is not the colour like I want. Like, see? It's horrific. Yeah, so I need to sort out my hair so bad. I actually hate it. But this is like my makeup. I'm not putting much on because I know that obviously she'll be taking this area off. But as you can see, like my eyebrows and stuff, this is my eyebrows without any brow gel on. And as you can see, they are looking a little bit more fair now, but they are due obviously a top up. But this is how they literally look without brow gel. They are really good, but they're just a little bit like lighter, which is why I'm going today. But yeah, I need to sort out my face.
Microblading, sometimes, not all the time, it's 50-50.
Yeah.
It can encourage the hair growth.
Really? I never knew So I'm literally back home. Look at my brows. I'll show you my brows in a minute and I'll talk a bit more through them, but I'm just having some dinner and I'm literally halfway through it, but I'm having, I think it's soda bread, tomatoes, and look at this. This is just the cutest dinner ever, but I'm just going to eat my dinner and then I will talk to you about my brows, but oh my god, I'm just so happy with them. Like, there's never ever a time where I won't be happy with my brows, but Meg honestly does such a fab job. Like, oh, look at them. Oh god. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I've had my eyebrows for less than 24 hours now, and I didn't vlog for the rest of the night yesterday because I literally filmed me eating my dinner, and then the rest of the day was a bit of a blur because I ended up falling asleep, but I didn't know what happened. Like, I literally woke up going,
where am I? What happened?
so this is the thing now. In the afternoons I become a bit, I didn't end up vlogging, I was just so tired, so I thought I would just pick up the vlog today and let you know about my brows. So these are my finished brows, completely done. I took off my makeup yesterday because I hated how it looked with my skin at the minute. It's not the best. It's gone a bit better today, but I'm filming a video today actually, so I just thought I would finish the vlog off. Honestly, buzzing. I've now got my brows back. I actually was a bit scared and I was thinking that my brows would look a little bit more harsher because I've been so used to such fair, natural brows, but I'm living for, you know, a bit more of a fuller, darker brown. So we did go slightly warmer because if I show you like the before my brows, they were very grey. They went very grey on me with my skin. So we did warm them up so when they do fade, they won't go grey. And even though I am going ashier with my hair, that will be another video, but I will be going a lot more ashier and changing my hair. It will still suit it. I have got like cream on them, so they possibly could look a little bit shiny on camera. I don't think they are, but I love them so much. The hairs on them, oh, just bloody hell, they are amazing. Honestly, Meg is a brow queen. The way she did the hairs at the front, I've never seen brown hairs like it. I'm obsessed with my brows. I literally put concealer just on my eyes and then I blended it slightly up near my brow, not on my brow obviously, but kind of upwards, and I couldn't believe what a difference just having my brows back. I said to my mum this morning, I looked at myself in my mirror and I was like, I feel like I've got makeup on again, which is so bizarre because I'm having a really bad time with my skin. You girls are a little bit like, oh, like I'm not loving my skin at the minute. So the fact that I looked at myself and was like, oh wow, I feel like not ugly for once. So definitely a huge improvement. So happy. I couldn't recommend Meg enough. I will leave her links down below. Again, this is my 6-month top up. I could have gone longer, but I wanted a fresh top up. So 6 months is such a fab, like, little pointer of a year to have your brows topped up. And it's only like, if you think about it, twice a year, and you don't really have to fill them in, and I won't be filling these in anyway. I'm so happy. I feel like it's brought my face back together again, and I'm just so happy. I really am. Love microblading so much. The pain, again, was no different. I don't feel the pain that much. One thing I do say is my eyes water so much. Like, this is just something that it's not for I don't think everybody's eyes would water like mine, but my eyes water so much because if you think you've got glands behind your eyebrows, so it literally set my eyes off so much. But I can go outside in the wind and my eyes will water, so that's the only thing. Like, my eyes watered when I had my nose done, so anything like that, my eyes do water. But the pain, it's like really faint cat scratches. I would probably say my tattoo hurt more than my microblading. I swear she took under an hour to do these because we already had like the shape in place. It didn't take long at all, and I had such an amazing experience. Again, I love it. So the pain was fine. And also, we were talking about the sound of microblading, and my mum hates it. I'm not bothered by it. Like, I don't care, but I do know that a lot of people get put off by the sound. And I think if I say this, a lot of people could possibly be like, you know what, I'm getting them done, because now people know the sound, why it makes that sound. It just makes so much sense. So when you have your eyebrows microbladed, or if you have had them done, you will know that it will make a sound like it sounds like a scratching sound. Now, visually in your head, you think it's your skin making that sound as the blade goes through it. It's not. The real reason why it sounds like that is because of the needles. Now, she showed me a picture of the needles. I'll try and get a picture up. So the blade is actually made out of like 6 tiny needles, so it's literally all together. So instead of it being a sharp blade, it's like loads of 6. Oh my god, I've got such a good idea. So when I do this, see how the bristles move? So imagine she's blading your eyebrows up. Literally, the blades are just doing that, and as the blades are hitting each other, it makes that sound. So it's not your skin, it's not the blade noise through your eyebrow hairs, it's definitely nothing like that. It's literally the blades making the noise. So if you are put off by the sound, do not, because it's nothing to do with your skin. And obviously you instantly do think it's your skin being cut that makes a sound. It's not. Your skin does not make that sound when it's being cut. It's literally just the blades together with like the little tiny needles. And again, microblading sounds scary, but it's the most tiniest little needles, and it's just making hair strokes. So I don't see why people would be put off by it now, because that is really important to me, like knowing that. I think that possibly could help a lot of people who want it done. I actually do get a lot of questions about microblading. Did it hurt? No, it honestly doesn't. If you've had a tattoo, I would just compare it to that. I had 2 tattoos and a microblading, my first ever microblading done on the same day last year. And because I had that done, I feel like I compared the pain really well. And I feel like tweezing your eyebrows possibly hurts more than having your eyebrows done. And especially with wherever you're going as well, if you're comfortable with the person, that is a massive help, because it instantly makes you feel more relaxed. Go to someone that you are comfortable with. Obviously, if you are in my area, I'll put her links in my description. But honestly, I couldn't recommend Meg enough. She's bloody amazing. She does my eyebrows so well, and without these, like, I don't think my makeup would look half as good. Like, I can't believe how much microblading has given me so much confidence. It's mad, and I'm so happy that I did go to Meg, because she is such a brow magician. She's so clever. She's now going to be doing microblading freckles, which is such a good idea, and she's also going to be doing lip liner, so like where you draw outside your lips and colour it in, but it's a really natural way. And what I love about Meg as well is Meg is such a natural beauty. Like, she loves anything natural, like freckles, fluffy brows, natural, like pink lips that are natural coloured. And I think that is important as well if you're going to someone who isn't so your style. So I love my natural beauty kind of style. She is perfect, because she really does understand it, and she definitely knows the stuff, you know what I mean? So definitely check her out. I've had such an amazing experience, and I'm definitely going to go back, because I think I'm going to be trying out the lip, maybe, I think it's like lip line or something. It's not going to look like lip liner, it's basically just colouring your pigment of your lips. Now, I've got really tiny lips. I know you can't see now because I filled them in, but naturally I've not got much of a lip. No, I definitely don't have lips, because my lips are looking like toddlers, which I hate. So I am thinking of doing that, because it's Meg. Literally, I said to Meg, I was like, listen, I'll be your guinea pig. You can test on me, because I am so interested in the microblading world. Like, the things you can do that look so natural as well. I love it, and I'm so happy with my brows. I just love them. So we did get the normal cream. It's actually in here. So we did get the normal cream that we get when you have your microblading done. So this is just a vitamin cream, and you put this on when you first get your brows done. You have to put it on twice a day, but because I've had mine done 3 times now after the top up, your brows are kind of used to it, so you don't want to drown them out in ointment. So this 3rd time, like your 6-month one, you don't actually have to put it on twice a day. So I only put this on in the morning. after I've done my makeup. This really does help the healing of your brows and the scabbing and stuff like that. Obviously, once your brows have healed and the scabbing's gone, your brows are fine. But for the first 2 weeks of you having your brows done, you can't get them wet, you can't rub them, you can't put makeup on them. Just try your best not to touch them. I am quite wary of my brows anyway because I am obsessed with my brows. I don't like touching them because I'm like, girl, they're precious. So I don't really touch them anyway. And when I do my makeup, I just blend my concealer all the way, like, you know, to my brow bone, but not to my actual brow. Just be careful near that area. Washing my face, I just kind of go under here. And then I kind of have the mirror near me, so I know when I'm cleaning my face. The world's changing. Like, everybody is now really into microblading, and my eyebrows look naturally perfect, which is what I want. I don't like tattoo brow. I love microblading because I love the hairs, but the hairs on my brows at the minute are just breathtaking. Like, oh my god, love it. Like, them flicks on the brow, like how can you be that good? I'm currently like hungry, so I'm trying to film my video as soon as I can and then have my dinner afterwards, but I've got a feeling this video is going to be a pretty long video because it's going to be a bit more of a different topic. When's this coming up? Oh, this is going up after it. So I'm actually filming Why I Will Never Walk Again video, so if you haven't watched it, the link will be up here. Or up here, I think it's here. I think it's here. Editing G, help me out. But it'll be either up here, and definitely watch that. I've been getting a lot of questions why I can't walk, so that is going to be my new video, which you would have already seen by now. I'm going to eat this. So my mum made the most amazing banana, and I think they're banana and walnut cupcakes. I think they are, not too sure. They are insane. They're so healthy. They're literally just made out of banana, almond, and something else, but they're really good. Like, they're amazing. So yeah, that is my treat for after filming today, but I'm gonna go and film and then I'll catch up to you. I'm tired. Anyway, guys, it is literally like God knows what time, and I'm actually going to go bed now. Jesus. But I do hope you enjoyed this vlog, even if it was a bit mismatched. But I do hope you enjoyed watching me get my eyebrows microbladed for, you know, the 3rd time. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below. I will try my best to answer them, but everything will be in the description anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna go bed, and I will see you in my next video, which will be Sunday. But yes, I will see you on Sunday. I love you all so much, and yeah, good night, guys. Good night.